welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we've got a little bit of something different. As you can see, I have got the Titanic stand down here. Now this is what you get with the Hachette subscription for the Titanic, or Agora subscription depending where you are in the country. Basically, as you can see, it's a lovely base. It's a bit more solid than the Bismarck base, I've got to admit. But the one thing that's been letting it down that we've recently put on and installed is this nameplate here. Now, it is metal, and basically you can kind of see the writing on it, but it's not that great. So, I mean, as a nameplate, it is pretty good. We didn't get one for, like I said, we didn't get one for the Bismarck and stuff that actually went on the stand. But, yeah, it's not that great. And it's very thin metal, and when I was actually putting the tape on to stick this on, I kind of bent mine a little bit, so you can kind of see it there. So basically it needs to be upgraded. It really does. I mean, for the trumpeter one you can get some superb nameplates for the model. So thank you to the guys over at partworkupgrades.com. As always, we have got this. Now this is created by them. It is plastic, it's not metal, but then we've got a lovely vinyl on top. And basically this is the upgraded nameplate for the Titanic. This is a heck of a lot better. So we've still got the RMS Titanic. We've got down there, we've got the date that she sailed from Southampton, and then obviously we've got the date that she foundered, which was the 15th of 4th 1912. So that was the date she actually sank. Obviously you can see there it's got my name on it, so obviously recreated by Mark Lamb, which is obviously my name. And then on this side we've got the lovely White Star Line logo there, looking really, really nice. And then on this side we've got a lovely portrait of Captain Edward Smith, looking really nice. Now if I put that on there, you know, just to sort of show you what it's going to look like, that is a heck of an improvement compared to that. Not saying there's anything wrong with the original nameplate, but that is one heck of an improvement. So what I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to put this on. Now, this is very thin metal, and to peel it off, you probably could, but if you're wanting to put this back on, or you're wanting to reuse it in some other fashion, then basically we need to get this off in one piece without bending it or without damaging it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop camera as I do this because it's quite noisy. I'm just going to get basically a hairdryer onto this, which will soften the glue behind it, and then I'll be able to take this off in one piece, hopefully no problems whatsoever. Then I can clean up the sticky residue with some IPA. And then from that I can put some more double-sided tape down, which I've got here, and we can put the new nameplate into place. So what I'll do is I'll get this off first of all, and then once I've got this off I'll come back onto camera and we will install the new nameplate and see what it looks like. So guys, back in a sec.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I've got the nameplate off now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some double-sided tape onto the new nameplate. This you can get, oh gosh, almost anywhere. If it lines up. Or if I can line it up, more the point, because I'm useless with stickers. Okay, so And this is actually very, very sticky. Okay, so that's one on there. Now I'm going to double this. So I'm just going to take the backing off this one I put down. So 2 secs guys, I'll be back in a tick. Okay, sorry about that, somebody at the front door. Okay, so let's put this next piece on. Okay, so that's now on there. So I'll take this bit off. Okay, and we'll put this new nameplate on. So just smooth that down. Nice and easy. And there we have it guys. There is the new, from Partwork Upgrades, new Titanic nameplate. And I think that does look a heck of a lot better. I tell you what, if I put it on the build camera, you'll get sort of a better view of it there. That looks amazing. Really does make the difference when you look at it like that. So that is beautifully into place, and it really does look the business. I'm really impressed with the quality of that. And what I'll do is, if you want to get one of these, I will put the link in the description down below of where you can get a hold of one of these nameplates. Also, please check out Partwork Upgrades website. There is absolutely tons of stuff on there for every model that is currently underway, or past models, or anything else. But yeah, really impressed with that. That is gorgeous. And that is going to look superb when the Titanic is finished. So guys, thanks for watching. So if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now. Please check out partworkupgrades.com, where you will find even more mods and fixes for your models, where you can fix the wobble on the knee tendon fix. There is an array of dust covers, an array of sound cards and other bits and pieces to help you along your way. So check out partworkupgrades.com and start modding today.